songs a unique way to share their learnings and our collective dreams. They are not formally trained in music, but over the years they have written and composed 50 songs and produced 2 audio albums. In 2005, they were given Samskriti Award for their outstanding social contribution through music.
Yeah. Keep continuously taking away. Whatever visual, if it is just still
just
there.
Frozen, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Hello friends, good morning to all of you here. This is our first trip to Kakinada, and we are here since yesterday and very happy to be with all of you. Visually also it was a great treat to be here because we are coming from a region where it is 42, 43 degrees right now and very dry, and suddenly here we come and see so much of greenery. So it was really very pleasant to be here.
So Charu told that this is our first visit to Kakinada. If you like us, if you would like us to come here again, we will come here again. This is not the last visit.
What we are going to do is share our journey. As it was said, I'm an architect, Vinay an engineer and management professional. And from there to where we are today. Way back in 90s, I was on a project doing a 5-star hotel, Oberoi Udaipur, with an architecture team. I also had my own practice. When I was working as a senior management person with a pesticide company, a company that also was in textile but also was in pesticides. And all these contradictions. Besides that, in 1985, when I was studying at IIM, that was the first time he actually saw what is riots, what is curfew. It is very easy for most of us to open the newspapers and see the number of people getting killed in a conflict or in a bomb blast or in Kashmir in Northeast or even outside. Even outside India, say Israel-Palestine conflict. But when it comes to live there, to experience what a curfew is, to not to have milk, grain, vegetables for weeks in your house, to be scared of getting out of your house every morning, that is something very different. So in 85 he wrote this song called Mandir Masjid Girja Ghar में बांट लिया भगवान को, धरती बांटी सागर बांटा मत बांटो इंसान को. And then 87, 88 we met, and then we have had our own journeys. As I was sharing with you that this 5-star hotel project I was working on, and Vinay with this executive job, in the evenings we used to go and make friends with the slum dwellers in the city of Ahmedabad, used to meet the workers of the closed mills, closed textile mills, and just listen to their stories. We also, over weekends, used to go and live in the tribal area with the tribal people. And here we realized that I'm designing a room which is going to cost about 35,000 rupees a night in 92. Now it is 135 per night. And we are living with families whose annual income is less than 35,000. This is the kind of disconnect, this is the kind of difference that we are talking about in this country. And somewhere that moved us. And we thought that we have to use our qualification for something more meaningful. And that's where we started studying these communities, bringing out their issues, understanding policies and the way these policies deal with the so-called marginalized, the so-called backward people. And it is through that journey that we have interacted with what we now understand as Invisible India. And we are going to share some of the stories of this Invisible India with all of you. Before we begin that journey, we are here after 10 years and 1 month of what has happened in Gujarat. You all know of what has happened in 2002. But that is not alone Gujarat. It has happened everywhere in Bombay, the bomb blast in Jaipur. In Karnataka, we know what's happening. So before we begin, we would like to remember all these innocent victims of different kinds of violence in our country that is growing day by day, and just remember them. So we request all of us to please stand up quietly, close our eyes, and pay our respect to all these innocent victims of violence. जाति में भी, रिश्तों में भी, त्योहारों में भी,
रिश्तों में भी, त्योहारों में भी,
दफ्तर में भी, सड़कों पे भी, शहरों में भी, गांवों में भी,
शहरों में भी, गाँवों में भी, चौराहों पे हिंसा है, चारों पे है,
चौराहों पे हिंसा है, चारों पे है,
सरहद पे भी देखो तो छाया जहर, इन दिनों सोच क्या हुआ, इन
घर जला किसका था, जो लूटा किसका था,
जो लुटा वो किसका था,
मस्जिद गिरी, जे गिरे, अल्लाह ईश्वर रो पड़े,
राह ईश्वर रो पड़े, कोई मासूम जिंदा जलाए यहाँ,
कोई मासूम जिंदा जलाए यहाँ,
कब्रों से इंसान है यहाँ,
सूरत में भी, सूरत में भी, मुंबई में भी, जयपुर में भी,
मुंबई में भी, जयपुर में भी,
उस पार भी, उस पार भी, दंगे में मरते बार ही,
दंगे में मरते एक बार ही, हम चुप रहे क्यों चुप रहे, चुप रहे क्यों चुप रहे, हम तो मरते हैं जी के भी कितनी दफा, इन दिनों क्या हुआ, इन दिनों
जरा,
से अपने हाथों को देखो जरा,
इन पे किसी का नहीं तो लगा।
Many times we go to schools and perform and we ask children, what is violence? Most of the times the answers that we get is stabbing, burning somebody alive, war, riots. And we wonder, where is our education going? We have 16,000 farmers committing suicide every year. I will talk later about it. But we don't think that is violence in this country. We have a very sad phenomena when, as per the official figures, we have about 2 crore children who are working as laborers in different sectors. I'm sure many of us have seen. They are in factories, they are on roads, they are in fields, they are in mines. They are in worst kind of chemical factories. They are in carpet industry. We had an opportunity of spending about 3 days with these children in a convention, 400 children from different sectors in Gujarat. Children from railway platform. After listening to their stories, Vinay wrote a very beautiful song, which we are going to sing later. These were the children from railway platforms. They said something very interesting. Many of us sitting here may not have a bedroom for ourselves, but we have at least a bed where we sleep in the night and we get up from the same bed in the same place. These children, I think, आप लोग सब हिंदी समझते हैं? थोड़ा सा हम उनकी भाषा में आपको बताएंगे उन्होंने हमें क्या बताया. So these children were telling us that दीदी, हमने पूछा आपको यहाँ क्या अच्छा लगा? What did you like in this convention? So they said, Didi, for the first time we have experienced what is it like sleeping in the same place all through the night. We were shocked. We said, how? अरे दीदी हम प्लेटफॉर्म पे रहते हैं ना, तो जब ट्रेन 2 नंबर के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आती है तो हमें डंडे पड़ते हैं, हम भाग के जाते हैं, 4 नंबर पे सो जाते हैं. फिर 2 घंटे के बाद 4 नंबर पे दूसरी ट्रेन आती है, फिर हमको पुलिस आके डंडे मारती है, हम जाते हैं 6 नंबर पे. तो रात भर ट्रेन के टाइम टेबल के साथ हमारे बिस्तर बदलते रहते हैं. The other thing, so for us this was like lesson number 1 in sociology of India. Lesson number 2. After listening to these songs, and particularly the song that we are going to sing, these children saying, अरे हमारी जिंदगी के ऊपर गाना, हमने तो कभी दीदी ऐसा सुना ही नहीं है. हम तो गाते हैं वो ऐश्वर्या राय और सलमान खान के गाने ट्रेन में, या तो फिर भगवान के गाने होते हैं. हमारी जिंदगी के ऊपर भी गाने हो ऐसा तो हमें पता ही नहीं है. बड़े खुश हुए ये बच्चे. सो बड़ौदा के रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करने वाले बच्चे, इन्होंने कहा, वी वुड लाइक टू गिव यू सम गिफ्ट, वुड यू प्लीज कम टू बड़ौदा रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म. सेड ऑफ कोर्स, व्हाई नॉट. तो दीदी और भैया आप लोग ना राजधानी के टाइम पे आना. राजधानी के टाइम पे? अरे हाँ दीदी, वो राजधानी में ना एक लंबी लंबी ठंडी ठंडी ट्रेन होती है और क्या अच्छा खाना मिलता है दीदी उसमें, लेकिन वो सब मोटे मोटे सेठ लोग ना सारा खाना ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं। तो अब अगर आप राजधानी के टाइम पे आए तो हमारी कितनी अच्छी पार्टी होगी। दिस वॉज लेसन नंबर 2, दैट फॉर 2 crore children of this nation, पार्टी मीन्स राजधानी का लेफ्ट ओवर फूड। These children want to tell something to all of us sitting here.
मेरे देश का बचपन लापता है, थोड़ा मुझको, थोड़ा तुमको भी पता है। आओ मिलकर उसे ढूंढे जरा, मिल जाएगा वो मुझको पता है। So child laborer of this nation are telling us we don't want to work anymore. We want to enjoy our life. This is our turn now. मेरी बारी है. This is our turn. So they are saying कि चाय किटली अब ना जाऊं,
Chai Kitli is the tea shop.
कि चाय किटली अब ना जाऊं, मैं ना हाथ जलाऊं, चाय किटली अब ना जाऊं, मैं ना हाथ जलाऊं, झाड़ू पोछा कपड़ा बर्तन कभी न करके जाऊं,
पोछा कपड़ा बर्तन कभी न करने जाऊं,
वो छोटी छोटी उंगलियों से छोटी उंगलियों से कारपेट बनाऊं,
छोटी छोटी उंगलियों से ना कारपेट बनाऊं, कपड़े पर ना रंग लगाऊं, ना जूते चमकाऊं, मेरी बारी है मजा में करने जाऊं, मेरी बारी है मजा में करने जाऊं, मेरी बारी है।
गाड़ी के डिब्बों में जाके अपना गाना गाऊं,
के डिब्बों में जाके अपना गाना गाऊं,
2 नंबर के प्लेटफॉर्म पे भूखे ना सो जाऊं,
2 नंबर के प्लेटफॉर्म पर भूखे ना सो जाऊं,
वे सड़कों पे रोलर पे चढ़ के
हाय हाय हाय,
सड़कों के रोलर पे चढ़ के मैं खून बहाऊं,
सड़कों के रोलर पे चढ़ के मैं खून बहाऊं,
दिल जब टूटे नीचे आके अपना जान गवाऊं, मेरी बारी है
मजा में करने जाऊं, मेरी बारी है मजा में करने जाऊं, मेरी बारी है।
शीशे की और पीतल की भट्टी में अब ना जाऊं,
शीशे की और पत्थर की भट्टी में अब ना जाऊं,
ईंटों के भट्टे में जल के मैं ना ईंट बनाऊं,
ईंटों के भट्टे में जल के अपना ईंट बनाऊं,
वे अपना जाऊं बांध काम पे
हाय हाय हाय,
जाऊं बांध काम पे पत्थर ना तुड़वाऊं,
ना जाऊं बांध काम पे पत्थर ना तुड़वाऊं, ना बीड़ी ना माचिस को ना हीरे में चमकाऊं, मेरी बारी है मजा में करने जाऊं, मेरी बारी है मजा में करने जाऊं, मेरी बारी है।
मेरे देश का बचपन लापता है, थोड़ा
Lakhoti is the marbles which children play.
I don't know what you call
In
it in
Gujarati,
Telugu. This is
the-
how you
the
play
Lakhoti
goti.
with
we call
goti.
it. Yeah. Koli.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they are asking just that. They are saying, के दे दो मेरी चार लखोटी, दे दो गिल्ली डंडा,
मेरी चार लखोटी दे दो गिल्ली डंडा,
तू रोज करूंगा तुम्हें दौड़ूंगा,
तू रोज करूंगा तुम्हें दौड़ूंगा,
वे रेती का वो ढेर भी दे दो, के पानी में मैं छप 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 खूब करूंगा, मेरी बारी है, मैं खूब करूंगा, मेरी बारी है, मैं खूब करूंगा, मेरी बारी है। किताबें दे दो मुझको, अब मैं खूब पढ़ूंगा,
किताबें दे दो मुझको अब मैं खूब पढ़ूंगा,
माँ बाबा और दादाजी को चिट्ठी रोज लिखूंगा,
बाबा और दादाजी को चिट्ठी रोज लिखूंगा,
चंदा से और सूरज से मैं चंदा से और सूरज से मैं बातें खूब करूंगा,
चंदा से और सूरज से मैं बातें खूब करूंगा,
टिम टिम करते तारों से मैं आंखें चार करूंगा, मेरी बारी है, मैं खूब करूंगा, मेरी बारी है, मैं खूब करूंगा, मेरी बारी है। We want to read. Maybe these children are the children from the urban areas. And the entire learning is possible through books, experience and observation, and not from the books. And today, all those professions who have contributed to our knowledge, to the foundations of the society, they are really speaking in a very bad shape. For example, if I ask you, what have you heard about farmers in last 10, 12, 15 years? Would anybody say? What have you heard about farmers?
yes, he's.
One word for farmers.
To describe
What have you heard in the newspapers? Suicides. 60%, 70% of this country, and much of what we know about them is enjoy eating pulaus and biryanis and rice in different forms. Would anybody tell? And suddenly we started feeling that industry is development, farming is nothing. Farming is backward. So these backward, illiterate farmers, whom we almost hate now, can anybody tell how many varieties of rice have been produced by these illiterate backward farmers in the world? How many varieties of rice are there?
Yeah.
Would anybody tell? 100,000. 16,000 varieties.
Okay.
Extinct. Let me tell you, I am an agricultural engineer, something which was never taught to us during our education. The farmers of this world have produced 1,20,000 varieties of rice. 1 lakh.
She was
So
very
we should give her a big hand also. She's very close to it. And at different points of time, somebody said varieties have become extinct. There are, yes, 3,300,000 identified varieties of rice. And today, and Chhattisgarh itself, just our Chhattisgarh has produced over different points of time around 40,000 varieties of rice, 40,000. And today suddenly, there are more than 10,000 varieties of maize in the world. There are more than 5,000 varieties of potato in the world. And today farmers are in very bad shape, all of us. No, and these were the people who taught us. It's the farmers who taught us agricultural science. The tribals taught us the science of forestry. The people who are staying in the islands, they taught Christopher Columbus what is navigation. They taught him the art of making maps. The people who are doing potteries, the potters, they taught to us the science of metallurgy. These are the the pastoral people, they taught to us the science of animal husbandry. But today, just give me answer to one more question. Who made Taj Mahal? Obviously Shah Jahan made. I also used to believe Shah Jahan made. I will ask that question again. Who made Taj Mahal? Yes, workers made Taj Mahal. Marginalizing and displacing all of these people. After all, we know around 23 million tribals have been displaced from their habitat because we have defined hybrid varieties, and irrigation and therefore dams is modern and development. Agriculture, tribals, backward people. Let us recognize their contribution to our society, and I think that's where, yeah. No, there is no time travel. You know, the contribution is never recognized, and somewhere I think these are the people who are, their lack of recognition of their contribution is resulting into different kinds of things. One or two things which we want to share, and one thing is, for example, the contribution of women. I think it will be a great disservice. First thing I want to share is the women who discovered agriculture. So men can clap little louder this time. It's the women who discovered agriculture. Women. They discovered language. They contributed to the science of Ayurveda, because they were the people who knew about the botany, they were the people who knew vegetation, they were the people who knew all kinds of roots and shoots and fruits. So they contributed. Their contribution, nobody will know who discovered agriculture. We think that agricultural scientists in the universities have taught us agriculture science. That's not true. That's not true. Human life is 23 lakh years.
I think one more thing we would like to share is, once we were just doing a calculation, because when we go to villages, we see these women spending on an average 4 to 5 hours many times for water, going and getting water. So these calculations that we did.
So what we basically found was, for a pitcher full of water, millions of women in this country, they travel 5 kilometers, 7 kilometers every day. Meaning, in 1 year, they travel around 2,000 kilometers. In a lifespan of just 50 years, they would be traveling how much? 1 lakh kilometer, 100,000 kilometers just for a pitcher full of water. If we go around the earth, it is 40,000 kilometers. That means millions of people in this country, millions of women in this country, they go around earth 2 to 3 times in their lifespan just for a pitcher full of water. It may or may not be recorded.
Talk about the fuel wood, fodder.
And these things may or may not be recorded anywhere, but somewhere they have to find a place and a record in our hearts, that how women in this country are surviving. So here is a farmer who is saying the parties have come and parties have gone, but water hasn't come to my village. And he's saying researchers like us, we go to the villages, we do what we call primary service, and we grow in our stature, we grow, we write reports. He says the water hasn't come to my village. And he's saying, let me ask water, why don't you come to my village? It's a farmer talking to water. Just 3 to 4 lines. It's a very long song. In Gujarati we'll sing just 3 to 4 lines as to how farmer is talking to water. સાંભળો સાથી
Listen to me, my dear friends. Nudiyuma neeru nai, bavaladi undi gai, pili kore talavadi pan aanan sukai gai, hava to aankhyon pan neer nai re. पानी तू के मन मारे काम ना करे, पानी तू के मन मारे काम ना करे, माटी महड़ चलावा खेतरू ने हमें सजावा, बीजने वावा नवावा तोए कोई नीर ना आवा, मेहनत सारी हमारी થઈ રે, પાણી તું કે મને મારે કામ ના રે, પાણી તું કે મને મારે કામ ના રે. The song goes on like this, and then this farmer says that many of the elderly people would remember the kind of mahal it was there, the kind of festivity in 1947 when the independence came, that now it is going to be our own government and all our dreams will come true. हर जगह पर हरियाली होगी, हर जगह पर खुशहाली होगी. And he says, सूर्य आजादी आवे, खुशियां साथे लावे, चांदा पर पहुंची गया 21वीं सदी आवे, कंप्यूटर आव्यू जुओ, मारुति गाड़ी लावे, तू मारे गामड़े हाजी एवने एवरे. Lives of thousands of people. So this is the journey, and let us look at this journey and celebrate all that we have achieved in all these years, and also pledge that we will also try to become part of this process of change. So here is this common person telling all of us that what is it that this person wants to know from after getting this information. मेरे सपनों को, मेरे सपनों को जाने का हक रे. My dreams have a right to know. मेरे सपनों को जाने का हक रे, क्यों सदियों से सजने का नाम नहीं. My dreams, why they keep getting shattered? Why there is no, I can't see them getting fulfilled. They say, मेरे हाथों को ये जानने का हक रे, मेरे हाथों को ये जानने का हक रे, मेरे हाथों को ये जानने का हक रे, मेरे हाथों को ये जानने का हक रे. बरसों से खाली पड़े हैं, क्यों बरसों से खाली पड़े हैं, इन्हें आज भी काम नहीं, क्यों बरसों से खाली पड़े हैं, इन्हें आज भी काम नहीं. मेरे पैरों को ये जानने का हक रे, मेरे पैरों को ये जानने का हक रे, मेरे पैरों को ये जानने का हक रे, मेरे पैरों को ये जानने का हक रे. क्यों गाँव-गाँव चलना पड़े रे, क्यों गाँव-गाँव चलना पड़े रे, क्यों बस का निशान नहीं, क्यों गाँव-गाँव चलना पड़े रे, क्यों बस का निशान नहीं.
मेरी भूख को ये जानने का हक रे,
मेरी भूख को ये जानने का हक रे,
मेरी भूख को ये जानने का हक रे,
मेरी भूख को ये जानने का हक रे।
क्यों गोदामों में सड़ते हैं दाने,
क्यों गोदामों में सड़ते हैं दाने, मुझे मुट्ठी भर धान नहीं। क्यों गोदामों में सड़ते हैं दाने, मुझे मुट्ठी भर धान नहीं।
मेरी नदियों को जानने का हक रे,
मेरी नदियों को जानने का हक रे,
मेरी नदियों को जानने का हक रे,
मेरी नदियों को जानने का हक रे।
क्यों जहर मिलाए कारखाने,
क्यों जहर मिलाए कारखाने,
जैसे नदियों में जान नहीं।
क्यों जहर मिलाए कारखाने, जैसे नदियों में जान नहीं।
मेरे जंगलों को जानने का हक रे,
मेरे जंगलों को जानने का हक रे,
मेरे जंगलों को जानने का हक रे,
मेरे जंगलों को जानने का हक रे।
कहाँ डालियां वो पत्ते तने मिट्टी,
कहाँ डालियां वो पत्ते तने मिट्टी, क्यों झरनों का नाम नहीं। कहाँ डालियां वो पत्ते तने मिट्टी, क्यों झरनों का नाम नहीं।
मेरे वोटों को ये जानने का हक रे,
मेरे वोटों को ये जानने का हक रे,
मेरे वोटों को ये जानने का हक रे,
मेरे वोटों को ये जानने का हक रे।
क्यों एक दिन बड़े बड़े वादे,
क्यों एक दिन बड़े बड़े वादे, फिर 5 साल काम नहीं। क्यों एक दिन बड़े बड़े वादे, फिर 5 साल काम नहीं।
मेरे राम को ये जानने का हक रे,
रहमान को ये जानने का हक रे,
रहमान को ये जानने का हक रे,
मेरे राम को ये जानने का हक रे।
क्यों खून बहे रे
सड़कों पे,
क्यों खून बहे रे
सड़कों पे, क्या सब इंसान नहीं। क्यों खून बहे रे सड़कों पे, क्या सब इंसान नहीं।
क्यों बाहों में सड़ते हैं दाने, मुझे घर धान नहीं।
जिंदगी को जीने का
मेरी जिंदगी को जीने
we
का
know that
हक
many of
रे,
you here will not know Hindi, but it will be very nice if all of us can sing these last lines together. This is about that my life also has a right to know.
मेरी जिंदगी को जीने का हक रे,
मेरी जिंदगी को जीने का हक रे,
मेरी जिंदगी को जीने का हक रे,
मेरी जिंदगी को जीने का हक रे। अब हक के बिना भी क्या जीना, अब हक के बिना भी क्या जीना, ये जीने के समान नहीं। अब हक के बिना भी क्या जीना, ये जीने के समान नहीं। क्यों गोदामों में सड़ते हैं दाने, मुझे मुट्ठी भर धान नहीं। कहाँ डालियां
वो पत्ते तने मिट्टी, क्यों झरनों का नाम नहीं, क्यों खून बहेरे सड़कों पे, क्या सब इंसान नहीं।
Thank you very much. I think we have overstepped time. We are very sorry if we have done that.